All right.
So how you doing since last time?
Feel pretty good. Lower back, maybe a little stiff, just in my lower back. That's about it.
Okay, how's this test when you do that glute pull test?
Everything's good.
That's been fine. That's awesome.
Yep.
So nerves healing.
I guess I do feel a little bit.
A little bit of pull. Yeah, I mean that's that nerve pull test, which I mean if that's that much better. Before it was just the minute you initiate that lane, you'd feel it. So that's great.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're just gonna keep working on the hip stabilizers and the nerve. That's awesome. Okay.
And then can we work on my shoulders too?
Absolutely. Good.
I'm starting to get what I've noticed. Whenever I cross my arms or if I'm trying to like push, these things will spasm up.
Oh,
They'll
awesome.
lock up.
Nope, that makes sense. So that spasm is likely a nerve that's gotten stuck. So you have like you have a couple different nerves that go through your pec to the innervatum. So we'll get into that. That's great.
Okay.
And so it's whenever basically you do exertion on them and have to use your so push or even squeezing together. Right? So
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. Well, since the pec's the big thing, why don't we start there? Go ahead and pull your shirt off the line. No issues when you reach overhead, that kind of stuff, correct?
It's a little tight.
Okay. If you do that, does that make them spasm right away?
No.
Okay, perfect. Lay it back. Let's see. What's that? Oh yeah, explain the injury. Yeah, good call. So he had bilateral pec tears and repairs. So as a result, once you have a surgical intervention, even though it's obviously a good thing to repair the muscle, you're going to get adhesion from that. And so you can get a nerve entrapment with that set adhesion. So right there. So this feels like lateral pectoral nerve. What that feels like. So this often gets when people have front side shoulder pain, they think it's everything from shoulder impingement to rotator cuff issues to whatever else, and so you have a ton of adhesion there. There we go. So right now we're just pulling through, and I can feel the adhesion pulling with my finger, and there's the nerve right next to it too. And you can feel it tearing away. Good, return. That's softer. So if I go in there and you can't see this because the nerve's not big enough, but literally I'm trying to bow that nerve this way, and it won't bow. And so that's what we're working on. So what I'm doing is leaning into and taking tension on it to pull that nerve free. Go ahead. And then bowing into that nerve. There it is. Good. Will you retest that? Just push them or reach across, yeah. How's that feel now?
It's looser. That's
Okay.
a lot looser.
Okay. So we'll see, because part of the thing too is that it also might be just fatigue. So you can get fasciculations or spasm like that. Like if you ever done a heavy workout and your muscle cramps afterwards because it just has that much, it's just that exhausted. That could also be that because he's obviously after the surgery, the muscles will be weak, but that nerve was definitely very much stuck. So I think it was both those things. So that one last time we had it here. This time the nerve is actually stuck in through here. It's a little bit further and a little bit different spot. So that's what we're going to get into.
Same nerve?
Yeah, same nerve. Go. Oh, but that spot's worse. Wow. Good, return.
I gotta be tough on camera.
That's the most important thing right now.
Go. Nope, come back. I don't like that contact. And go. Yeah, that's better. Good, return. Can we come from this angle and more straight out?
Down.
Yeah, again that way, just because that pec fiber keeps popping forward on me there.
This?
Yes, perfect. Yep, that's what I want. So what was happening there is that when we come up from the side, that pec fiber was rolling, and so we weren't getting a good release on that nerve because it's just a different angle because those fibers run this way and they kind of come down and across. Go ahead and test it again.
Oh
Better.
yeah.
Sweet.
I actually kind of feel it up in here now.
Sweet. Move.
I don't know if that's.
No, that's good. So all it does when it moves symptoms like that, that means it's on layering. So we're just going to take in the new spot that we have to work into. And this is an attachment on this clavicle. Retest.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, awesome. Let's check the spine stabilizers and nerve stuff, Doc. Do you want to jump into that?
Later,
This?
yeah, we just check hip flexors.
So, Doc, why are we checking the flexors?
He's had multiple spinal surgeries. And so we're just trying to make sure that all that load's taken out from those discs and through the low back. And we're doing that by checking through his hip flexors here to see if that's causing any of that compression. Okay.
Where's like in your flexors? Not bad.
All right, so we have here his psoas, biggest hip flexors right here, right next to that psoas is the femoral nerve that goes down into the front of the thigh. And that's where he has adhesion, is on that nerve in between this iliacus here and that psoas, which is right in that pocket right there. So we're gonna put a bunch of pressure, a bunch of tension on that thing, and then pull it through. Go ahead, Doc. That area. Great. And you can feel that nerve just sliding right past, and it's quite an enjoyable experience for everybody involved. Almost there. Perfect. Return. Good. One more here, just a little lower, same spot. Go. There we go. Drop that down a little bit too. Yeah, now back again. There we go. Awesome. Return. Yeah. Yep. Other side forward, please. In between?
No, afterwards.
Yeah. And same thing we have here. Pressure tension on that nerve. Go ahead. Keep going. This one's tighter. Man. Goodness, good. Okay, stand up.
Do your test.
Breathe for a second.
Less back tension.
Yep, that's better.
Okay. Awesome.
Feels good.
Awesome. And this is now through your press.
Yep.
Better too.
Yeah,
Awesome.
it's definitely looser.
Okay.
Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you. Awesome. That's good, Matt. You can stop.
2 thumbs up.